Today, we are pleased to share the video testimonials from our franchisee in Senegal and Guinea-Bissau, showcasing their inspiring journey and the remarkable impact of BioSoilZ across the region. Mr. Abdoul Wane, Director of BioSoilZ Senegal and Guinea-Bissau, describes BioSoilZ as a breakthrough marking the agricultural revolution 3.0, the era of bioregeneration. Presented at major national events FIDAC, FIARA, FIAN, BioSoilZ generated strong enthusiasm from farmers, researchers, and government officials. Field trials with SAID, Senegal's leading agricultural authority, showed significant increases in crop productivity even on saline and degraded soils, restoring fertility where conventional methods failed. Beyond rice, farmers reported exceptional results in groundnuts and vegetables, with healthier crops, better quality, and improved storage. Mr. Abdoul Wane concludes with a powerful statement. With BioSoilZ, I could even grow crops on the road by removing the tarmac. That's how powerful our technology is. Watch the complete video to hear Mr. Wane's inspiring story, followed by a few clips from the Agricultural Expo.
Hello, I'm Abdul, Director of BioSoilZ Senegal and Guinea-Bissau. And I'm very pleased to share with you our experience and a remarkable journey with BioSoilZ across Senegal and Guinea-Bissau. But first of all, I might say that for us, BioSoilZ represents one of the greatest revolutions in modern agriculture. After the area of mechanization and digitalization through IoT, we have now entered the age of bio-regeneration, the agriculture of the future, the agriculture of the third millennium. And it is truly an agricultural revolution 3.0. This year, we proudly showcased BioSoilZ at 3 major events: FIDAC, FIARA, and FIAN. The response was overwhelming. Farmers, researchers, government representatives expressed great enthusiasm for our technology. We were especially honored by the visit of the Honorable Minister to our booth, which highlighted the growing recognition of BioSoilZ's importance in shaping the country's agricultural future. Our confidence is backed up by outstanding field results. In partnership with SAID, Senegal's largest agricultural land management organization, we conducted trials on saline and degraded soils in the Northern Valley. The outcomes was exceptional. While conversion yield ranged between 3.2 to 4 tons per hectare, BioSoilZ achieved 5.44 tons using only one product, the bioplants, and up to 8.7 tons, where the previous record was 6.2, using only the BioSoilZ. These results clearly demonstrate that BioSoilZ performed exceptionally well, even on saline and degraded soils, restoring fertility and productivity where conventional method fails. Encouraged by these results, we are now scaling up larger areas to validate our technology and integrate BioSoilZ into official recommendation for all rice producers. Farmer organizations from across Senegal are reaching out to collaborate, especially in the Anambé Valley in southern Senegal, where soil salinity and nutrients depletion remain major challenge due to years of chemical fertilizer use. Beyond rice, Our success stories extend to groundnuts and vegetables. One farmer reported that his groundnuts yield increased fivefold, and this remarkable performance continued for 2 successive years. Another farmer who previously purchased 4 to 5 truckloads of straw annually for his livestock now has enough feed for 1.5 years, a sign of stronger and healthier crop. In vegetable farming, like okra, pepper, cucumber, onion, potatoes, the results have exceeded all expectations. The onion harvested in March and April remained perfectly preserved, even in June and July, as if it was freshly picked. These ongoing experiences clearly demonstrate that BioSoilZ and bioplants open new horizons for farmers, offering opportunities far greater than anyone could imagine. We are also in advanced discussion with FAO, which aim to regenerate 1.4 million hectare of degraded soils identified by Senegalese Minister of Environment, and we strongly encourage the state to adopt BioSoilZ to restore soil health, achieve food sovereignty, and strengthen the agricultural economy. After working with BioSoilZ for almost 3 years, I can confidently say that with BioSoilZ, I could even grow crops on a road simply by removing the tarmac. That's how powerful our technology is. Our ambition is vast, our vision is clear, and our gratitude is immense. Thank you for joining us in this BioSoilZ revolution, where science, nature, and farmers unite for a better future.
FIARA 2025 took place from April 28th to May 20th at SoilZ in Dakar, a major event dedicated to agriculture and livestock in West Africa. It was a unique opportunity to discover innovations and strengthen ties among sector stakeholders. At the heart of this event, BioSoilZ committed itself to sustainable agriculture by presenting concrete solutions to improve soil fertility and support farmers toward environmentally responsible development. Many visitors came to explore our booth, passionately exchanging ideas about sustainable farming practices and the innovations we offer. These interactions were enriching and helped forge strong partnerships. A highlight of FIARA was the official visit of the Minister of Agriculture and Livestock, who expressed support for the innovative and sustainable initiatives led by BioSoilZ. We were also pleased to welcome students from Cheikh Anta Diop University, as well as our friends from the United Syndicates Chamber, who came to learn about our project.